In previous renovation video, viewers asked about installing hidden light-up skirting board. Today we'll release a video with a detailed explanation for everyone. Let's discuss the 3 common skirting board types in the market: surface-mounted, flush, and embedded. The surface-mounted skirting board is the most common type, traditionally known for easy installation and low cost, but it tends to collect dust. Innovative flush skirting boards on the market have nearly addressed the dust accumulation issue. Worth considering. Next is the flush-to-wall skirting board, which aligns perfectly with the wall surface, preventing dust accumulation and allowing furniture to be placed closer to the wall, but it needs initial slotting. Nowadays, there are 1 mm or 2 mm flush-to-wall skirting boards that can be leveled by skimming plaster on the wall, which is a good choice. Lastly, there's the type of embedded skirting board in our home, achievable in 2 ways. One method involves increasing wall thickness, while the other is to create a slot in the wall. Due to our home's lighting design with ambient light strips on the ceiling and floor, skirting boards have been installed on both. Primarily, there is a high exposure level. Profile height is only 1.5 centimeters, requiring advanced power supply reservation for lighting and wall installation. Ensure pre-designated location for the low-voltage skirting light strip transformer to hide it well and facilitate future maintenance. The advantage is the top visual effect, evoking car ambient lighting. The downside is that the wall requires expensive base coating, increasing its thickness slightly. If indoor space is insufficient and you prefer not to increase wall thickness, regular embedded skirting can be installed by slotting, similar to wall foot excavation. For narrow embedded skirting, this method works, but for wider skirting like ours, it's not suitable due to excessive slotting depth required, especially on load-bearing walls with reinforcement. Also, like us, if you want to do top and bottom skirting, it's impossible to slot on the wall. Due to the pipes and electrical conduits on the wall top, there may be conflicts with ceiling skirting. Our process is complex, but this method will yield a good outcome. The ordinary walls. After priming and leveling the walls, every wall is now perfectly flat and vertical at home, ready for skirting boards and custom-made doors, achieving a true Italian minimalist style. The area where the house customizes wall protection needs to be primed with Oregon pine. The wall protection panels are fixed on top of our Oregon pine boards, while the remaining area in our house will have micro-cement finishes. Both my fireplace and floor platform are made of slate with skirting boards underneath, ensuring continuity. To maintain level with the wall, plan the thickness of the base layer and slate on one side, and the base layer gypsum board and backplastered cement on the other side in advance. Despite being costly and complicated, this method yields excellent results. Returning home after a busy day, listening to music, taking a bath, one can relax and experience the true meaning of home.